Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn any photo into a super cool 360-degree spin animations using DreamFace app. It's quick, easy, and best of all, you can do it for free. Okay, let's jump right in. First, you will need the DreamFace app. If you don't already have it, just head over to the Google Play Store and then download it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And here's the good news, DreamFace actually gives you a free weekly credits back, so you can try out effects without spending anything. That means you can experiment with this Spin 360 completely free. And next, now once you're inside, just tap on the magic effects, and then in here you will see different styles and effects that are available, but the one we want today is called Spin 360. This one, just tap on it, and then just choose your photo that you want to animate. Just tap on plus button, and then just confirm like this. And then once you have selected your photo, just hit create. This one, just tap on it. And okay, like this. In a moment, you will see your picture spinning smoothly in a 360-degree loops. And when you're happy with it, just save it, and then now you have got a fun animated spin effect that ready to share on your social media. So that's how easy it is to turn your photo into 300 degrees animations with DreamFace. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!